I'm building an app with zero coding experience. That's right, no code skills, no tech degree. I'm still going to try, and I could use your support. My goal is to ship in 7 days and make my first $100. Stay till the end to help me name my app. Don't forget to click follow to see if I can actually do it.
What does this app do? It's an app that stores all your recipes in one place. You can scan printouts, import links, and then search by ingredient, diet, meal type, occasion, or cuisine. Never again do you have to struggle to find the recipe you know you saved, but you can't remember where it is. Every time I want to make something, I have my mother's old recipe files. I have ones that I've printed out. I have ones that I've even tried to store and organize, and I still can't find anything, and it takes me way too long to go through all of them to find the thing that I want to make. So help me make my app. The name for this app, I go to namelix.com and I enter in keywords around what I'm trying to build. So it's a mobile app that scans and saves recipes, and then I click generate. Then it asks me how I want to generate the names. I could use brandable names, evocative names, short phrases, compound words, alternate spellings, and so on. And I choose the auto because I want to not limit the possibilities of a name. And I click next. And then in terms of randomness, I click low because I don't want something that's so out there. I want ones that are more closely aligned with scanning and saving recipes. Click next, and then I put in here that it's a mobile app to scan and save printed recipes and save recipes from social media. And then I click generate. And Namelix will do its thing, and it'll come up with a bunch of different names that are generated. The ones with the green check marks, the .com is available to register. The ones without, they have already been registered by someone else. Doesn't mean they're being used, but the domain name is not available. So this capture plate, recipe sling, savory scanner, but recipe saver is not available. Recipe jet is available. Munchie notes, pantry picks is available. Cook cache, foodie file, or Flavopedia. And I'd like your help picking which one. But before you do, I did a little research and came up with this. A foodophile is a term for a person who has a great love, passion, or intense fondness for food. So Foodie File is a play on foodophile. And then when I asked ChatGPT what it thinks when it sees the word Flavopedia, it said a reference library for flavors, ingredients, tasting notes, and pairings. And it said it has a lot of depth, a lot of entries, categories, searches, and tags. And we're organizing knowledge, not posting recipes, which is what this is. It's a recipe repository and search engine so you can find your own recipes. So now's your turn. Give me some help, please. What should I name this? Foodie File or Flavopedia? Put your response in the comments. Number 1 for Foodie File, and number 2 for Flavopedia. And thank you so much. Check back to see what we decided to name it.